Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Stein here on a beautiful Friday, May 7th, ready to do some more celebrations at the creek as we love, learn, lead, succeed together. Boy, oh boy, did I see lots of kids bringing their best this week. Speaking of bringing their best, I had the pleasure of observing Miss Llewellyn's 5th grade class in language arts this week. They were using 2 different texts and they were comparing information from the text on the same topic in order to write or speak about the subject knowledgeably. Wow, it was impressive. They were reading about hand washing and hand sanitizer, perfect topic these days, and I got to watch the students use Pear Deck to highlight, analyze, and annotate the text in order to note key details and main ideas from each one that they were reading to put that knowledge together so that they could respond to questions. Boy, oh boy, was it the model example of a highly engaged virtual class. I even got to see them at the end of the class use a self-assessment to determine where they were in their level of understanding and what do they need to do next. Job well done, Miss Llewellyn's class. Speaking of job well done, look at how many students from Miss Christensen's class she shared for our Stick With It students this week. This is an extremely impressive group of kids. Can you believe Skylar Ilori, Amaya Durrell, Victoria Delatum, Riley Gilmer, James Kreplin, Van Thong, Krish Mystery, Rosalie Velasquez, Amari Reyes, Aish Surgasangi, Jade Mitchell, and Link Juarez. Link Juarez is at the bottom there. Wow! All of those kids in Miss Christensen's class have been coming to their meets, doing all of their work, really being model Ballinger Creek students and bringing their best every day in their virtual class. These Stick With It students are leading Ballinger Creek by example. Speaking of leading by example, this week, I want to celebrate our amazing custodians. Boys and girls, we take for granted so many things that happen in our school, all because of their hard work. Every single day when I drive into work, I see Mr. Kine, our lead custodian. If you look closely here, he's either out on the tractor mowing the grass. He's making sure that the leaves are blown and the sidewalk is clear. He's in the building sanitizing things. We also have Miss Denise, who works so hard all day long, and you may see her at lunch with our hybrid kids. And then we have Mr. Aiden and Mr. Dorian, who every day put our cones down and make sure we have a safe car rider. They do so many things behind the scenes that make our school a safe and wonderful place. I wanted to say thank you to them this week. Speaking of thank you, we could not let this Friday go by without one more chance to honor our Ballinger Creek staff. As you know, this week was Teacher Appreciation Week, and we highlight and honor every single staff member in our Ballinger Creek School. They greet you every day. They make sure you're fed. They make sure your school building's clean. They plan engaging lessons for you. They'll talk through any situation with you to make sure you can be the best person you can be, and so much more. I cannot imagine being the principal of a better group of people who love each other, they take care of themselves, and most importantly, they take care of all of you. So join me today in one last major thank you to the staff at Ballinger Creek because they are exceptional. And if you haven't found a way already, please make sure you let your teacher or someone important to you from Ballinger Creek know how amazing they are. And last but certainly not least, one reminder that Sunday is Mother's Day. So boys and girls, it's a great opportunity to reach out to your mother or someone who takes care of you and also share your appreciation and gratitude and do something kind for them. What an awesome week at Ballinger Creek. I'm so glad I could be with you today to celebrate. Have an amazing Friday, boys and girls.